Hello, my name is Ananda. Register number UR15 CS360, and this is my Java program for applet. And as you can see, this is my calculator program, and I have used the header files import java.applet and java.awt and java.awt.event. And this is my main class calculator, which extends applet and also implements action listener and text listener. And inside I have also declared string variables as s1, s2, s3, s4, and button v1 to v0, and also button named add, subtract, equal to, clear, multi and division, and text field as t1, and some integer variables abc. And inside init I have declared the text field, the buttons as 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 0, plus minus, multiply, divide, and equal to, and clear. And I have also given the layout as grid layout of 4, 5, that means 4 rows and 5 columns, and also set the layout so that it's we can see the layout. And after that I have added the text field and buttons, and after that I have given the add action listener so that when we press buttons, so it can recognize. And after that inside paint we are setting the background as blue, and after that we have a function called action perform, which is having the argument as action event. And inside action event we have integer s, which is getting the value from get action command. And get action command means we are when we are pressing the button, then if s dot equals to 0 or s dot equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0, that means if the button pressed is from 0 to 9, then we are just concatenating s1 is equal to t1 dot get text plus s. And after that we are setting the text s1, but if s dot equals, that means the button pressed is plus, then we are getting the value in the s2, and then t1 is written as blank, and s3's value is plus, but if s is equal to minus, then s2 value is stored, and t1 is that means our text field is set to blank, and then s3 is declared as minus. Likewise for multiplication, we are declaring s3 as multiply and storing the value in s2 and clearing. And if s is equal to 0, that means if we are pressing equal to button, then we are getting the text from the text field in s4, and a is equal to integer far set int, and b is equal to integer far int s4. This means that we are getting the value of sa from s2, and from b we are getting s4. So if s dot s3 is equal to plus, then we will simply do c is equal to a plus b. If it's minus, then a minus b. If it's multiply, then a into b. And if it's divide, then a divided by b. And after that we are giving the output to the text field, so that's why we have written t1 dot set text is equal to string value of c, because c is a integer and we can't just display the integer, that's why we are using string value of c. And if we will press clear, then it will just reset the text field and it will display as null character, so it's blank. And after that we have a function for text value change, because we are changing the text, and it's also a action listener. So when we run this program, we can see that this is our calculator, and it can do everything like 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Clear, it will clear. Then 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. 8 into 3, 24, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. As you can see, this works, and this is our calculator program, and this is my applet program for banner. As you can see, this is my question: create a Java applet program to demonstrate moving banner animation. And as you can see, this is my main class banner, which extends applet and implements runnable, because it can we are using threads, and inside this class I have declared a string variable as my msg, which is having the content as hello, this is me Sunny. And I've also declared a character variable as ch and a thread t. And after that we have a start function, and we are declaring the thread, this new thread, this. And after that we are starting the thread, and we know that when we start the thread we need to give run, because when we start, it starts from the run. So inside our run function we have an infinite loop for, and after our loop we have try and catch, so that we don't have any type of exception when we can catch the exception. And inside try we are just repainting everything. Repainting is just we are updating the value of paint, and we are making the thread sleep for 250 nanoseconds, and ch is equal to message dot character at 0. So we are just checking the character at 0, and message is equal to message dot substring 1 dot message length, and msg is equal to msg plus ch. And after try we are just using catch for catching the exception. And after that we have our paint function, which is having argument as graphics g, and inside paint we are just drawing the message in the location 6030. And when we run this program, you can see that this is our message, hello, this is me Sunny, and it will display this for infinite times. And this is it. This is our banner displaying program for using applet. Thank you for watching the video.